Good morning and welcome. You're watching Times Now. I'm Pratibha Chandran. We're keeping our focus on the dramatic scenes coming in from Jharkhand's capital of Ranchi, where students have been protesting. They're marching towards the assembly. The students have been protesting for 17 days now. They've held multiple rounds of discussions with the government as well. Their demands are very clear. With the government not giving in, they are marching towards the assembly. Let's get a live update from my colleague Dave joining us on the broadcast with the details. Dave, we're looking at dramatic visuals, huge crowds, many students gathered. What's happening there?
Well, you can see right behind me this entire stretch which leads towards the new Vidhan Bhavan building, also leads to the new High Court, and the stadium is also about less than a kilometer away from here. But these protesters, the student protesters, are sitting down on the road and are taking rest. When we asked them, they said they're only gathering energy so that they can move further ahead. But looking at the kind of crowd, you can really understand the kind of seething anger amongst them, how they have been asking for Abhay Tiwari to be booked, not a CID but a CBI investigation, or the combined graduate level, the CGL exams be removed entirely. These people are saying that Hemant Soren must wake up, and they kept saying in their native language, setting wetting nahi chalta, meaning these back channel settings where seats are being sold is really not okay, because these people have, most of them have also come from Bihar, which is the adjoining neighboring state, and within Jharkhand itself, people coming from as far as 500, 600 kilometers, and you can hear how they're saying Inqilab Zindabad. So that is why we also see a poster where say ha hum bhi Gen Z chhatra hai. So they have somewhere drawn serious inspiration from the CJP protests as well, which were held at Jantar Mantar, and where a massive population of the Gen Z crowd was also seen speaking up for its rights. They say that their demand is justified and it is very constitutional. It is well within the limits of the constitution. Like I was speaking about Abhay Tiwari, he is the gentleman, the poster being raised saying CID kiske dabav mein pehla case diary dabaya. So basically they're saying that since CID is a state agency, it can be easily controlled and things can be changed to favor a few certain individuals who have been accused or their role has emerged. Which is why they're saying not CID but seriously and strongly only and only CBI. You can see how many people are there on the road out here, and also if Mukesh can turn the camera and show you the visuals on the other side of the road which leads further ahead towards the new Vidhan Bhavan building. Almost all of them holding up the Indian tricolor out here. Everybody is concerned for their future, and also we see a few professors as well who have turned up. They are fighting for their students and their own children as well, who they don't want them to go through the similar fate that what the current batch of students and the aspirants are having to go through. They are prepared to clash, but there are volunteers out here from the Reform Manch who have been holding the fort together, and Reform Manch is the main body that has been engaged in talks with the government right from day one. In fact, they were there yesterday as well for nearly about 6 hours. You can see once again a human shield or a human chain has been formed. These people from the Reform Manch are, आप लोग ने ये जो ह्यूमन चेन बनाई है, तो लोगों को आगे जाने की अनुमति नहीं है।
अभी जब तक इनको एक साथ जाना है, हम लोग तुर्की में नहीं बैठना चाहते, इसलिए हम लोग बनाया है।
तो आपको किसने कहा है अभी रुकने के लिए?
हमारे जो भी प्रशासन भी जो भी लीडरशिप जो जिनके अंडर में वो लोग का इंस्ट्रक्शन है।
So well, that's a good coordinated effort that they are respectfully listening to the police also, to the administration also, saying that we have been told by them to not move further ahead until.
So the students are waiting patiently and they are hoping that the government listens to them. Dave, just a moment, I'll come back to you. You've also spoken to multiple students on their demands. Let's listen in.
लगातार छात्र यहाँ धरना पर बैठे हुए हैं, अनशन पर बैठे हुए हैं, और सरकार मामले को खाली इधर से उधर लोगों को टहला रहे हैं। हमने इसलिए कहा कि जेसीसी का चाहे आचार्य नियुक्ति का हो, एक्साइज विभाग में सिपाही की नियुक्ति हो, पीजीटी के टीचर की नियुक्ति हो, चाहे सीजीएल की नियुक्ति हो, सब सीबीआई से जांच करानी चाहिए। चाहे 11, 12, 13 की जेपीएससी और 14 की जेपीएससी के भी मामले की जांच सीबीआई से करानी चाहिए।
छात्रों के साथ हमारी सरकार की पूरी सहानुभूति है। माननीय मुख्यमंत्री हेमंत सोरेन जी ने कल आदिवासी महोत्सव के अवसर पर पूरा भाषण ही लगभग छात्रों के हित में दिया और उन्होंने अपने प्रतिनिधि मंडल को भेजा था छात्रों के साथ वार्ता करने, जिसमें हमारे कई माननीय मंत्रीगण थे। उन्होंने उनसे वार्ता करके उनके सामने ही प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस किया और उन्होंने बताया कि लगभग 98% मांगों को सरकार ने मान लिया है। मार्च है और इसमें कई राजनीतिक दल जो है उनको पीछे से हवा दे रहे हैं, जबकि मांगे मान ली गई थी 98%। तो मुझे लगता है कि आज का मार्च नहीं होना चाहिए था। सरकार न्याय कर रही है। वो कह रहे हैं कि सीआईडी के ऊपर रिटायर्ड जस्टिस को बैठा देंगे, वो उन पर निगरानी रखेंगे। बल्कि माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी ने ये भी कहा है कि हम खुद ईडी से रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे कि ईडी वित्तीय मामलों की जांच करे और जो दोषी हो उनको कड़ी से कड़ी सजा दी जाए।
Okay, all right. So a lot of politics around it as well. And Dave, not just the students, the BJP had also joined the protest. Multiple top leaders of the BJP were also detained by the police officials, isn't it?
Well, yes, in fact, a few persons will be detained in a few minutes from now. But the detention that you are talking about, a day before yesterday, the ABVP had held protests and they tried to cross from a certain junction near Ranchi University while they were marching towards CM Hemant Soren's residence. At that point in time, they were stopped by the India Reserve Battalion, the Rapid Action Force and the Jharkhand Police. They resisted that protest which you're talking about, the ABVP student workers being detained. About 4 of them were taken away, but of course they were let off with a warning and told that they must not repeat something like this in the future. But cutting back in terms of the visuals that we are showing you right on your screens from the Jharkhand protests, now once again the entire group has started to move together, exhibiting some serious unity between them, which is why every few meters they are stopping, waiting for the other group to catch up with them, and all of them are moving together. Also, they have started their march and now they're taking a right turn towards the new Vidhan Sabha building. Here also several barricade checkpoints have been placed where we are only hopeful that they do not clash with the police.
Yes.
But several security personnel.
Yes, Dave, just a moment. We are also playing out these visuals and let's mention it to our viewers. Devendranath Mahto, the student leader at the heart of the protests in Ranchi, who has been on a hunger strike, is also joining the protest. He is in the ambulance and these are the visuals we're getting from the ambulance. The student Devendranath Mahto, who has also been on a hunger strike for so long, is also joining the protest. This is very symbolic, Dave, because he has been on a hunger strike for days together. He has been on an indefinite hunger strike since the 2nd of August, demanding the government's intervention. And he has also joined the protest symbolically.
Well, yes, absolutely. In fact, Devendra Mahto's health was also not doing good. He is a student activist, political leader, and he is doing all of this for these very students whose papers got leaked. That is why, so that they can have a better and brighter future. They are accusing the government. You can see there is a standoff. Let me bring the fresh visuals to you. There is a serious standoff between the security forces. You can see how it is getting aggressive. They are dropping the barricades out here. We are only hoping that nobody gets injured. How they are marching further ahead speaks of their resolute spirit. They had said yesterday itself that come what may, we will continue to march ahead and we will not stop under any cost. You can hear that several people are shrieking and hooting, saying that Hemant Soren, when will you wake up? Because this is the kind of setting through which they believe. You can see out here how several police officials are also standing out here. They are also not resisting much, maybe because they have orders from up. But however, the students will not be allowed to reach the final point. You can see further down this road, if I show you the visuals, they have started their march on this route towards the new Vidhan Bhavan, which also crosses the Ranchi High Court.
All right. So the students are there, and we're also looking at the security deployment there at the spot. And they were looking at the visuals as well. The students have been very clear. It's going to be a peaceful protest. Many of them also holding the national flag, and their message is very clear. This is not a political protest. This is the protest for our rights. This is the demand that we have for accountability and transparency. And many of them are also holding the national flag with a clear message to the government.
Well, yes, absolutely, which is why they're saying that our fight is not against a particular politician or a political leader, but it is against the fight to change this system that has corrupted the entire education sector. Right now, it has only trickled into these competitive exams that are really affecting the people, but they say that soon enough, it will trickle into school and college education as well, which is why the fight today for a better tomorrow. So you can see these people out here, nobody is getting aggressive, while they continue to stay true to their word of making it a non-violent and a peaceful protest. This is very much visible through these visuals. The Rapid Action Force now have picked up their shields and the lathis. They will be going further ahead to check on the situation. They have orders to not lathi charge. In fact, the Additional Director General of Ranchi as well had taken a press conference, and yesterday had said that the things have been put into place and no likely incidents of law and order problem or any unfortunate incident should take place, which is why the police have taken extra precautions and care to recce the place through the night, and they have strategically ensured that the temporary barricades are created at different spots along with the barbed wire fencing, which we have also shown through our visuals.
So security deployment, barbed wire fencing, this has been the response of the government, but the students have been protesting for 17 days. Yes, there have been 4 rounds of talks with the government, but today they made it clear by today if they don't agree to the demands, they will be marching to the assembly. Has there been any response from the government? Have they made attempts to reach out to the protesting students today?
Of course, the government is engaging in talks. Still, they are trying to speak to the people to try and pacify them. But they say that CBI or nothing. They are not going to back down or cover down any sense. The CGL exam, it's an either-or scenario. Either you suspend the common graduate level, the CGL exams, or you instruct and ask the CBI to come in at this point in time. So that is why they are saying that they don't trust the CID, which is why there is a far more aggressive demand for the CBI to step in, because the CID, being a state body, can be easily influenced and will favor a few certain individuals, including politicians, who are people with connections, with power. That is why they don't want that scenario to even come in that first place, which is why, however, they are not talking about the Enforcement Directorate, which is also a central body being involved. They're saying, yes, the financial irregularities angle must be probed. That is extremely important. But the real investigators are the CBI, who will probe this entire issue of the paper leak, how the questions were leaked on WhatsApp, where the answers were provided, how much money was paid, by who to whom, including the middlemen, all of these details, which is why they are possibly scared of the CBI as well. We don't know who the government is trying to protect at this point in time, but the students strongly demand that the CBI must come in, and if the CBI does not step in, then this protest could go on at the stadium, at the original designated spot, well beyond today as well.
Right, and the CID report into the 2024 JSSC, CGL and ongoing JPSC examination controversies also revealed that up to 80% of the question papers had been compromised hours before the examination. So imagine that, 80% of the question papers had been compromised. Many of these answers being circulated via WhatsApp across multiple locations. And this is the reason why the students are saying that the examination should be cancelled, that the entire process itself has been compromised. So the government had ordered a probe, and it did mention the multiple lapses, and the students are only demanding accountability, saying that there is clear evidence of the examinations being compromised, and that's why they're asking for accountability and transparency.
Well, yes, absolutely, because there have been media reports as well that over 100 questions from that original question paper were leaked. And since you spoke of the multiple locations where people had...
Dave, just a moment, I'll come back to you. We have some students who are addressing the media. Let's cut across.
पेपर लीक हुआ है तो है सबूत देखता है सबूत तो पेश करे।
यहाँ पर नारेबाजी भी हो रही है, सेटिंग गेटिंग नहीं चलेगा।
सरकार होश में आओ, हम सरकार होश में आओ।
विधानसभा तक जा रहे हैं आप लोग, क्या कहेंगे? क्या मांगे पूरी नहीं हुई? क्या बात?
सर हम लोगों को अभी तक जो है 3 दौरे चल रही है इस जेपीएससी के मामले में, लेकिन हम लोग चाह रहे हैं कि तुरंत जो हेमंत सोरेन अपना कमेटी बैठक करा करके और इसको तुरंत जो है निष्पादन करें और हम जितने लोग इसमें चोर हैं उन लोगों को जो है तुरंत जो है इन लोगों को गिरफ्तारी करके जेल भेज दें।
आप भी आई हैं प्रोटेस्ट में, क्या कहेंगे आप लोग? क्या लोगों से अपील करना चाहेंगे? और शांति
हम लोग पिछले 16 दिन से कोशिश किए कि हम लोग की बातों को बैठ करके आराम से माना जाए, पर सरकार जो है वो ढीठ है, वो अभी अड़ी हुई है कि हमारी बात नहीं मान रही है। तो हमें ये करना पड़ रहा है, हमें विधानसभा घेराव करना पड़ रहा है और हम आगे भी जाएंगे और आगे भी अपनी जो बात है उसको विधानसभा के पास जाकर के रखेंगे।
शांति के साथ लोग आगे बढ़ रहे हैं।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, आप देख सकते हैं बिल्कुल शांति के साथ जा रहे हैं लोग, वंदे मातरम गा रहे हैं, जय झारखंड गा रहे हैं और लोग आगे बढ़े, तो इस तरह से शांति तरीके से चलेगी आगे।
हमने देखा था प्रदर्शन के दौरान काफी हिंसा भी हुई थी, यहाँ की तस्वीर अलग है। यहाँ शांति के साथ बातचीत करके लोग आगे बढ़ रहे हैं।
हाँ, यहाँ के लोग, मुझे लगता है कि यहाँ कोई भी हिंसा नहीं होगी क्योंकि बच्चे जो है काफी मैच्योर है और वो अगर कोई करने का कोशिश भी करेंगे तो उन्हें प्रिवेंट करेंगे।
देखिए, प्रिवेंट करेंगे बच्चों को। और ये आपको तस्वीर नजर आएगी कि अब छात्र धीरे धीरे करके तीसरी बैरिकेड जो है उसको क्रॉस करके अब आगे बढ़ रहे हैं। और देखिए, ये नई विधानसभा जो है वहां तक जाने की जो कोशिश है वो यहाँ पर की जा रही है। हाथों में झंडा है। क्या कहेंगे आप लोग? कौन कौन से एग्जाम दिए आप?
एग्जाम दे रहे हैं अभी। हमारी मांग यही है, सीजीएल को रद्द होना चाहिए और इसकी सीबीआई जांच होनी चाहिए।
सीबीआई जांच के लिए सीआईडी पे भरोसा नहीं है?
नहीं, सीआईडी पे भरोसा नहीं सर। सीआईडी में अभी जो देख रहे सरकार के लोग ही हैं, ये सरकार, हम लोग सीआईडी जांच पे विश्वास नहीं है।
देखिए, बता रहे हैं कि सीआईडी जांच पे भरोसा नहीं है, सीबीआई जांच होनी चाहिए। और सीआईडी में आखिर ऐसी क्या स्थिति आगे की लोगों को अपने ही राज्य की पुलिस और सीआईडी पे भरोसा नहीं है, ये सोचने वाली बात है। लेकिन आगे देखिए, ये जो मेन चौक है यहाँ तक जो प्रोटेस्ट की भीड़ है वो पहुंच गई है। आगे चल रहे हैं आप लोग। अब तो तीसरा बैरिकेडिंग क्रॉस
एकदम, जब तक विधानसभा हम लोग नहीं घुसेंगे तब तक छोड़ेंगे नहीं। आज आर चाहे पार की लड़ाई होगी, कुछ भी करना, हम लोग शहीद होने के लिए तैयार हैं।
शहीद होने के लिए तैयार है।
बिल्कुल, आर और पार की लड़ाई है ये।
लेकिन आज हेमंत भैया का बर्थडे है, ठीक है। आज गुरु जी का आज ही के दिन में पुत्र प्राप्त हुआ था और हम लोग को देखिए कितने शर्म की बात है कि छात्र आज उसी जैसे ये लोग भी आज परिवेश होकर के आज पढ़ लिख के नौकरी के लिए इन्होंने वैकेंसी लिखा और हम भी लिखे। आज देखिए कि रोड में, सड़क में विधानसभा आज घेराव कर रहे हैं। दुर्भाग्य है ऐसी राज्य का, जो राज्य अलग हुआ, 26 साल हुआ, भिन्न भिन्न पार्टियां का सरकार बनी, लेकिन ये युवाओं को छला गया। हम लोग चाहते हैं।
लेकिन एक बात जो आपने कही, हेमंत भैया, इतना गुस्सा के बाद भी हेमंत भैया बोल रहे हैं आप।
हेमंत भैया, हम उनको अभी भी बड़े भैया मानते हैं, लेकिन गुरु जी का उनके पर जो सोच था गुरु जी का, उन पर वो दिखा नहीं जा रहा है। इसलिए हम आक्रोशित होकर थोड़ा बोलना चाह रहे हैं, हेमंत भैया गुरु जी का मान सम्मान रखे, और नहीं तो फिर 29 में ही हुआ बहुत मैंने वोट के माध्यम से आपको इतना बुरा तरह से मैंने हराएंगे जिसका कहना नहीं है।
आप सोचिए कि इतना गुस्सा, इतना रोष के बावजूद बड़े सम्मान के साथ हेमंत भैया कह के बुला रहे हैं।
की बात है, 40% खनिज संपदा हमारे झारखंड में होता है, उनको लुटाने में इनको देरी नहीं है, तो ये क्या राज चला पाएंगे? हमको तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि उसी तरह छात्र का वैकेंसी का सीट बेचा जा रहा है, जिस तरह वो खनिज संपदा लुटा रहे हैं उसी तरह हम चाहते हैं कि वो नियम बनाए, नियोजन नीति, विस्थापन नीति, उद्योग नीति, और ये जो नीति जब तक नहीं, हर राज्य में नीति होता है, नीति नहीं बनेगी तब तक इस तरह करप्शन नहीं रुकेगा।
करप्शन नहीं रुकेगा। और एक बार तस्वीर दिखाइए आगे की, ये देखिए आगे छात्रों का सैलाब जो कि आपको बढ़ता हुआ नई विधानसभा की तरफ नजर आएगा। बीच में अगर आप देखेंगे तो हम रिपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, और पीछे तस्वीर दिखाइए, ये पीछे की तस्वीर देखिए, यहाँ पर भी छात्रों का सैलाब और पूरे तरीके से झारखंड के रांची में नई विधानसभा की तरफ ये छात्र अब कूच कर रहे हैं और साफ तौर पे कहना है कि सीबीआई जांच हो और सीजीएल की जो परीक्षा है उसको रद्द कीजिए, क्योंकि उसके बिना जो बात है वो नहीं बन पाएगी। आप लोग भी कहाँ से पढ़ने आए हैं? बोकारो से आए हैं। क्या कहेंगे, कौन सा एग्जाम आप लोग सोच रहे हैं कि रद्द होना चाहिए?
टीडीपीएल जितना भी एग्जाम लिए सारा रद्द होना चाहिए।
हाँ, तो सिर्फ प्रोटेस्ट के लिए बोकारो से आए हैं?
हाँ,
यस यस।
तो पढ़ाई करते हैं आप लोग?
हाँ,
क्या पढ़ाई करते हैं?
तैयारी कर रहे हैं।
किस चीज का?
अभी हम लोग जेपीएससी जेएसएससी में लगे हुए हैं और हम लोग चाह रहे हैं कि झारखंड में जो टीडीपीएल द्वारा जितना भी एग्जाम लिया गया है सबको रद्द किया जाए, फेयर तरीके से किया जाए। आप जिस तरह से देख रहे हैं कि दिनों दिन आपका ये खुलते जा रहा है आपका कि कहाँ कहाँ चोरी हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है, सीआईडी का जैसे जैसे जांच चल रहा है, तो हम लोग चाह रहे हैं कि सीआईडी ने इसको सीबीआई जांच किया जाए।
सीबीआई
हम लोग का मांग यही है।
सीबीआई की जांच की मांग है और तस्वीर देखिए, हल्ला बोल के नारे हैं और जब जब छात्र बोला है तब तब सिंहासन डोला है। ऐसे नारों के साथ यहाँ पर आपको छात्रों को शांतिपूर्ण तरीके से आपको बढ़ते हुए नजर आएंगे। आप कहाँ से आए हैं?
रामगढ़ से आए, रामगढ़ से
प्रोटेस्ट में शामिल होने के लिए?
शामिल होने के लिए आए।
क्या कहेंगे?
बस जा रहे हैं विधानसभा घेराव करने के लिए।
एग्जाम कौन सा दिए आप?
जेपीएससी भी दिए हैं, जेएसएससी सीजीएल भी दिए हैं।
हर में करप्शन लग रहा है आपको?
कौन सी बोले?
सब में करप्शन लग रहा है?
हाँ, सब में करप्शन लग रहा है। करप्शन जो टीडीपीएल कंपनी।
So every year there are over 3 lakh students who give the examinations for JPSC and JSSC, and there have been paper leaks because of which there is anger among the students. They're demanding accountability and transparency. Now marching towards the assembly. Remember, barricading has been put in place. They are going to be stopped before they reach the assembly. We are back with these live updates after this very short break. To stay with us.